So here is a question: why US want to cease fire between India and Pakistan? The USA often calls for a ceasefire or de-escalation between India and Pakistan during periods of high tensions, and there are several strategic, political, and humanitarian reasons for this. Number one, nuclear stability. There is very big risk. Both India and Pakistan are nuclear powers. Any conflict between them escalating into a full-scale war, potentially involving nuclear weapons, which would catastrophic regional and global consequences. And second, the US has a strong interest in preventing a nuclear confrontation anywhere in the world. Number two, regional stability and counter-terrorism. South Asia is strategically important for the US, especially given its focus on counter-terrorism in neighboring Afghanistan and beyond. Instability between India and Pakistan can disrupt efforts to maintain security and weaken international cooperation against terrorism. Number third, economic interests. The US has significant economic ties with both countries, especially India, as a major trade and technology partner. War or prolonged conflict would hurt global market, regionally traders' routes, and investor confidence. Geopolitical balance. The US maintains relations with both India and Pakistan, although its ties with India have grown stronger in recent years. By promoting peace, the USA tries to maintain its diplomatic leverage and influence in the region without choosing side too openly. Number 5. Humanitarian concerns. War results in civilians casualties, refugee crises, and humanitarian disasters. The US often frames its call for ceasefire as a way to prevent human suffering and promote human rights. Here is number 6, global image and leadership role. The US is as a global leader and peacemaker and also a peace broker. So it steps in to prevent or conflicts, especially between two major countries. Calls for ceasefire help the USA uphold its image as a responsible global actor. A question arises: is there any relation with America-China tariff war? Yeah, that's a great question. While the India-Pakistan conflict and the US-China trade war are separate issues, there are some indirect connection in terms of strategic and geopolitical calculations. Here's how they relate. Indirect links between US China trade war and Pakistan conflict. Number 1, US strengthening ties with India against China. During the US China tariff war, the US sought to reduce economic dependence on China. India emerged as a strategic and economic alternative. So the US wanted to keep India stable and focus on economic growth, not distracted by conflict Pakistan. Number 2, countering China's influence on Pakistan. China is Pakistan's closest ally, especially with the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC). The US concerned about China's expanding influence via CPEC and Belt and Road Initiative may prefer regional peace, so India can act as a counterweight to China rather than being tied up in a regional conflict. Number 3, regional stability for trade routes. Both India and Pakistan are part of South Asia, which is crucial for international shipping lanes, energy trade, and connectivity. During the trade war with China, the USA had a strong interest in securing alternate trade routes and markets, which require stability in the region. Number 4, focus on strategic competition. The US doesn't want to be distracted by South Asia crisis while it is engaged in a long-term strategic competition with China. A conflict between India and Pakistan could force the US to divert diplomatic or military attention, weakening its position in the Indo-Pacific against China. Will the India-Pakistan conflict and the US-China trade war are not directly connected? The USA promotes peace between India and Pakistan partly because it helps contain China's influence, maintaining regional stability, and strengthen India as a strategic ally in The border US China rivalry